up, world? And welcome to the Mecca of Mastery TV. I'm your host, Mecca. If it is your mission to become the greatest version of yourself in every area of life, then you're in the right place, my friend. So in this video, it's a bit different. In this video, I wanted to show you basically how I get myself together. And this episode is basically like a vlog. It's like my lifestyle. So for example, I just came off of holiday. I was feeling crazy. I'm getting myself back together spiritually, and I'm showing you this is what I do. This is my spiritual ritual routine, basically. So during this day, what I've done is I went to yoga class, I sat down, I, just basically cleansed myself with sage and negativity. I wrote in my journal, I sat outside with the neighborhood cat. I don't even know who cat this is. But let me tell you, I feel like it's important for me to show you how I live my life, because I love you guys and you guys are beautiful and we share this energy and you are connecting with me. You allow me to come into your world. You trust me. You let me coach you. You come one-on-one with me. You pour out your love to me. I pour out my love to you. So we're in this together. So I need to show you how I'm living, because you show me how you living. It's only the way. So without further ado, because I can talk a lot, you know I love it, I'm going to get straight into the video. Good morning. So now I'm off to making my morning matcha tea. So yeah, what I'm just going to do is take this bowl that I got this little setup from Amazon.com. Everything cost me no more than 25 pounds. So the bowl itself was about 15 pounds, and there's a special bamboo spoon and a scooper. So the water I'm pouring in is just like some hot water that I boiled already. I'm only pouring a little bit, and then on top of the matcha tea so I can break it down, and then I'll add the rest of the water. And yeah, so I'll have that in the morning before my breakfast on an empty stomach. Matcha tea contains so many antioxidants, and it's, a little high in caffeine, but it's natural. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy this and chill out, and then have breakfast 15 minutes after the settle in my stomach. So yeah. And the brand of the tea that I use is Clear Spring. I got this from Amazon, and they also have this at Whole Foods. This one was on sale for about 8 pounds. Make sure you get the premium grade as well. And so now it is breakfast time. For breakfast, I'm just going to have some oatmeal with honey, cinnamon. I do put a little bit of almond milk in there with coconut milk. And then I have 2 rice cakes with butter, and I top them with some banana slices. And then, of course, I put some banana into my porridge, or oats, whatever you like to call it. And then I added some bananas and cranberries and dark chocolate just to make it a little bit better. Now, this is a little bit of an old vlog from a month ago, so I'm not eating eggs like I was, but so here I was eating eggs. So now, yeah, I'm just chilling out, me and Jeremy outside, eating our breakfast in the sun, getting some nice D3. And here comes the community cat I was telling y'all about. I don't even know this cat, but he is just adorable. I love this cat. So yeah, now that I'm going to be moving from London, this cat is one of the people, things, creatures that I will miss. Nope. Usually I don't meditate after I eat, but on this specific day, my schedule was a hot mess, so I just had to get 20 minutes in and journal, read, do my Spanish, and do some healing work on Jeremy. What's so damn funny? What? Here comes the damn cat. The cat is coming to get this work. Coming to get this healing work. Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, if I know. Probably think, what the fuck is going on? They probably thinking like, what the fuck is she doing back there? You know, somebody was like,
the witch is a witch,
when I went home, and I was outside meditating with the crystals and stuff.
Yeah.
George was like, here she go with that voodoo shit. And I was like, so now what you see me doing is using a pendulum to touch Jeremy's energy. And as you can see, right, I'm not moving my arm, nothing. Homeboy got some good energy. So this just shows me that his chakras are activated. I'm just going to go along each chakra just to make sure they're activated. For example, he's having some issues with his third chakra. So yeah, and now I'm taking some selenite slab and just cleansing him. Good morning. So, I'm sure you can tell that basically this is the next day. This is Sunday. Yesterday I just was not feeling it. So I cut the vlog short. Actually, ain't no cutting nothing. I just didn't vlog. I was not feeling it. I felt very nauseous. I had toxins coming out of my body. As I said before, I went into destructive mode when I went back home for a few weeks. I've been going through a lot of transition and healing within myself. And this is the process. This is how my life is. Made me love again, like notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it, but no one understands me. No, you're the only one I confide into, darling. I don't really need to lie to you, babe. Patient lover, oh my babe. How you been, my heart, oh darling. Everything I've done, you knew, you know. I really never had a home. Damn, I really ain't feeling alone. Maybe you can make me feel. It's like a 2 to 4 minute walk from the yoga studio, from the station where I'm at. But look what I found. Why, Mecca? Just absolutely why do I have to do this to myself all the time? Why? Tall, please. Yeah. Actually, do you have organic jasmine? Okay, perfect. Yeah, no. I'll just take the mint blend. That's fine. Thank you. Thank you. A nice little mint blend right there. Oh, good. Oh, baby. Hate feeling alone. Hate feeling alone, baby. Oh. I hate feeling alone. I hate feeling alone, baby. Need you here at home, baby. So this is the yoga studio that I will be visiting for the first time. It's called Kula Yoga, Hot Yoga and Wellbeing. And I'm doing this 45 pounds for 45 days intro. So let's see how it goes. reading. The book I'm reading at the moment is The Seed of the Soul. It's perfect to read this book. This is my second time reading this book right after this yoga class, but this book is amazing, and I really enjoyed it. So even though I will be in London for just another 4 months, I think I will make this a studio my home for the next 4 months. So we shall see. But check how beautiful this is right now. Strive not to be a success, rather to be of value. So that class was absolute life. And now what I'm about to go and do, head back to Starbucks for about 3 hours and do some work. So like I said, I got some planning to do for the week. I got some business stuff to do. I took off about a month and a half away from any business, anything that just was like mentally draining or that just needed any mental energy. But I'm back. I feel great. I've been detoxing my body and yeah, removing toxins from my body and just taking it easy. I feel like there's a transition that's going on in my life, which is the reason why I've been feeling all the, you know, craziness I've been feeling. And yeah, so that's what it is. So see you guys soon.
It's dark outside.
Okay. Look who is in the building. Filming. Girl, yeah. Catching up with the video. So I just bought myself some flowers. I'm going to put this one on the side of the bed. This one on my desk. And these are my favorites, so I always buy these nice little lilies. But it says self-love is even when you buy yourself flowers. You don't have to wait for someone to buy some flowers. But you treat you to something that you really want. Just do it for yourself. Go out and get it for yourself. Treat yourself great.
Leave the little lights on. Leave all lights on. Leave all lights on.
Apparently, I couldn't wait to get home to put these flowers up on my desk. They're so beautiful. Look at that. So I'm just going to sit by the window, do some work, feel like I'm in nature. Got my rose quartz hard crystal right there. Got a nice cup of filtered water. And that's Himalayan salt. Come on now. That candle holder. Got a nice watermelon candle burning. Oh, my favorite flowers. It's just smelling like sweet nature. And so as you can see, I have a hard time closing out on that video. But yeah, that was just a normal day for me. That was just a normal day for me. That's like a normal Sunday, what I do to heal myself. Every Sunday, I make sure I have a Sunday ritual where I go and I just spend some time alone. I get myself together. I get my mind, my body, and my spirit together. Yoga is the way I get my body together, my mind together. I write it out, my spirit, I pray, I sage myself, I write, I eat the right things, I connect with nature, I spend time and I just release and I surrender and I let go. Because we take in so much on a daily basis. Monday through Saturday, honey, it's a lot that's going on. And guess what? when you let things just keep coming into you and suppressing, how can you let it go? It's just like our bodies were supposed to, it's meant to release. Things are meant to be released from our bodies. And if we're not letting them go, we're holding it in. Just think about people who are overweight. People are overweight because their body, right, the system has shut down and have stopped working to let go of the toxicity from their bodies. So that whatever that's being put in is sticking to them, and it's causing all type of diseases and frustration and weight gain and all of that sorts. So same thing with your spirituality, same thing with your, mental, anything mentally, emotionally, anything. You have to let it out of you. You have to have a continuous, right, detoxing program that you put into your life, that you detox your spirit, you detox your mental well-being, you detox the emotions, you detox things out of your body. How do you let go? And this is how I let go, and I wanted to show you. So if you have any ways that you let go, any spiritual rituals that you do, share them below in the comments. Make sure that you download our free Wheel of Spiritual Satisfaction template to see where you're at in your life, and so how you can make a plan so you can get yourself together, baby. Because guess what? It's a whole lot of detoxing and surrendering and letting go around here. We got it. We can do it. And I love you. I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, peace.